Hello everyone on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. Every day we will upload a video answering the questions and concerns of students during their participation in our courses. To make sure you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts by leaving a comment below. That way, when we release new videos, you'll be among the very first to see them, even before others do. In this video, I will address a question from a student who wants to know how to extend these lines. So if you're facing this situation, here's what you should do. Click on the point at the start of the line, then press the letter E on your keyboard. If you want to extend the line by a certain amount, you can enter that value here. I'll move this panel down here a bit. You can enter the value by which you want to extend this line. There you go. You've extended the line exactly by the value you entered. If you want this line, this first point, to snap right to the perimeter line, you still click on the point, then press the letter E. You'll see here there's a command called toTrack extend line. Click on it. Then a dialog box will appear asking if you want to create a point at the end of this line. If you want to create a point at the end of the line, you can click yes and close this window. So now you know how to extend the inner boundary line. Goodbye everyone. See you in the next tutorials.